Hello, I'm Kim at Electronica 2018. I'm with Dieter from Amfax. Great to see you here in front of a machine, but let's talk about the company first. What's new?
What's new? We've over the last few years we've been really developing a new machine for inspection purposes. Earlier this year, the machine was considered ready for market. So although we've been showing the prototype at various shows over the last few years to show the potential, we now actually have a product which is capable of meeting the needs of the customers. So we've now got it into the marketplace. So since July, we've really been pushing to start boosting the sales. Really. So.
Let's talk about those needs for the customers. Are there any particular challenges they have been facing?
Okay, so the feedback we've been getting from customers we see is they have particular problems with certain types of chips, but also in measuring solder volume. The current existing technology, although there's many claims, when you actually look into the technology, is producing good estimates rather than accurate measurements. The feedback we get from the customers is that they're not satisfied with the technology that's out there. So hence we saw a need, we saw a reason to pursue the technology we have, and we're getting really good results with it, and we're getting extremely good feedback from the marketplace.
So now we've got this. It's no longer a prototype; it's an actual solution. So tell us a little bit how this solution fulfills that need, and maybe some more.
Okay, so essentially we use lasers rather than an optical-based system. What lasers do with an optical-based system is it can provide actual measurements. Typically, if I use our demonstration PCB as to put in context what we're doing, it's the easiest way to do it. So our PCB, which is 100 by 150 millimeters in size, gets scanned completely by the lasers. It's a full scan. And to put that into context, we take 100 million measured points across that PCB at a 20 by 20 by 0.5 resolution. Using those measured points, we build up a 3D image of the PCB, and from those measurements we can then start applying mathematical calculations to establish the inspection, which we then check against the actual raw CAD data. So we're providing a true inspection rather than a comparison. The advantage of that is we're able to output real data, real facts, to allow the user to make good decisions going forward on improving their processes and also their designs. As I say, it's a completely different way of approaching a problem, and as a result we can look at many aspects of inspection and give real data, and that's the key really. So.
And that's the key, exactly what customers want. Well,
absolutely.
Congratulations on the launch.
Excellent, thank you very much.
Thank you.